Hi, scholars. It's Miss Martinez. I am here with our other Read Aloud for our Tournament of Books challenge. This is starting off with a new challenge going against. This is Kitten's First Full Moon by Kevin Henkes, and it's going against The Village of Round and Square Houses. So these two will be going against each other. But today, I'm going to go ahead and read Kitten's First Full Moon. And remember, I'm reading books that have won the Caldecott winners, and that's based off illustrations. So this one won an award for its beautiful illustrations. So let's get started. What a night. The moon is full. Kitten is hungry and inquisitive, and brave, and fast, and persistent, and unlucky, and lucky. What a night. Kitten's First Full Moon. Here we go. It was Kitten's first full moon. When she saw it, she thought, there's a little bowl of milk in the sky, and she wanted it. Never thought about the full moon looking like a bowl full of milk, but to a kitten, probably. So she closed her eyes and stretched her neck and opened her mouth and licked. But Kitten only ended up with a bug on her tongue. Poor kitten. Still, there was the little bowl of milk, just waiting. So she pulled herself together and wiggled her bottom and sprang from the top step of the porch. But Kitten only tumbled, bumping her nose and banging her ear and pinching her tail. Poor kitten. Still, there was the little bowl of milk, just waiting. So she chased it down the sidewalk, through the garden, past the field, and by the pond. But Kitten never seemed to get closer. Poor kitten. I'll show you these. Still trying to get that bowl of milk. Still, there was the little bowl of milk, just waiting. So she ran to the tallest tree she could find, and she climbed and climbed and climbed to the very top. But Kitten still couldn't reach the bowl of milk, and now she was scared. Poor kitten, what could she do? Then, in the pond, Kitten saw another bowl of milk, and it was bigger. What a night. Is that really a bowl of milk? No. But to a kitten, it should look like that. So she raced down the tree and she raced through the grass and raced to the edge of the pond. She leaped with all of her might. What do you think's gonna happen? Poor kitten. She was wet and sad and tired and hungry. So she went back home. And there was a great big bowl of milk on the porch. Now that's a real bowl of milk. Just waiting for her. Lucky Kitten. And that's the end. So, Kitten's first full moon. Before I give you my big idea, I want you to go ahead and think of your own big idea, and you can send that to your teacher through a dojo message, through an email. You can write it down and take a picture of it, send it, or record yourself saying the big idea of this and send it to your teacher. I will share with you my big idea tomorrow when I read The Village of Round and Square Houses. This looks like a really good one. But I liked this one. I always, again, never judge a book by its cover. You never know what you might like, what you might don't like, what you might not like. I really liked this one. So again, tell me your big idea, and I will tell you mine tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.